Hey guys, today we are going to create website template in few minutes. Open your code editor and create a file with HTML extension.
To create a website template we are going to use Tailwind CSS.
Tailwind CSS is a CSS framework. Open your browser and type Tailwind CSS. Click on the first link. Click on Get Started. Click on Play CDN. Copy the code. Paste the code. Our code is working. Now go to another website, Tailblocks. Click on the first link. You can see many free components, just copy them to your code. Click on View Code to copy the code. Copy the code. Paste the code inside the body tag. You can see our code is working fine. You can make changes on your need. You can see the changes are reflected. I am making few changes to make this template organized. You can see the changes are reflected. There are many free components, you can use any of them, but I'm going to use this one. Paste it below the header tag. Now you can see our website template is created by just doing a copy and paste job. Now I want you to explore the Tailblock website and create your own templates. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for coding related videos.